that? Mickey. It's yellow, yeah. Get ready with me at Walmart. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm currently picking up an order at Walmart, and this Walmart is always so busy. So I know that when I come here, it's gonna be a solid 20 minutes before my order is ready. What am I getting at Walmart, you may ask? Well, since Grayson has officially started to love eating solids, purees, honestly, whatever you want to call it, the boy can eat. I've noticed that Target and Walmart sell the same brands of baby foods, but I've noticed that some flavors they only sell at either Walmart or they'll sell them at Target. So to get the full variety for Mr. Gray, I like to shop at both for baby food. And when I go, I'll usually stock up. I have gotten a bunch of questions from y'all asking about how solids, purees, whatever you want to call it, are going with Mr. Gray. Some of y'all have actually been here since the journey with Kennedy, like I guess about 2 years ago now. And just a little, you know, reminder here with Kennedy, we did not do baby led weaning. With Grayson, I actually did start it with Grayson a little bit, but he wasn't very much so into it. So we went to purees, and honestly, right now, he is a happy boy. He loves his purees, he loves his cereal, he loves his oatmeal. What I will say is that we are definitely following the same thing that I did with Kennedy. So starting with purees and then adding in cereal or rice, just sort of increasing the texture on things. So that's what we've been doing with Grayson because that worked really well for Kennedy. Yes, I do have 2 kids, but in a sense, I still am a first-time mom because all the stages that Kennedy gets to, those are the first time going through those stages for us. You know what I mean? But I totally understand being a little bit nervous about the whole situation because I remember all day, every day with Kennedy a couple of years ago, it is all I would think about. I was like, okay, what are we going to have now? What are we going to have today? And it literally consumed my every thought. I can't believe it. He is 9 months old. Actually, date. It's the 22nd. Grayson! He turned 10 months yesterday. He's not my little gummy bear anymore. A second tooth came in, so now he has 2 teeth on the bottom. It's so adorable. It is so adorable. As y'all know, we love MUFFINS's in our house. That was actually the theme of Kennedy's 2nd birthday. But I don't know if y'all remember, we do not do the chocolate chip ones anymore because Kennedy gave one to Dexter a few months back, so we stopped that. However, while I was placing my Walmart order, I did actually order another package of their MUFFIN bars, and I get her the apple cinnamon flavor, and she loves them. And we haven't had them in a few weeks. We haven't had them in like almost a month, I think, because we ran out. I got a giant box, and then she ate them all. So that's also in our order. So she's going to be so excited about that. We're actually going to go and head to my sister's house. She doesn't know we're coming over, but she's home. So listen, you're my sister. And I'm such an awesome sister that I actually grabbed her favorite coffee as well. And I got one for myself because I was going there to get one for her. You know? Oh, that spot opened. Oh no. This is a very busy Walmart. Order just came out. I hope you guys are having a great day. We're off to my sister's house, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.